In this video, I'll show you how to redeem a Ticketmaster gift card. First, log into your Ticketmaster account. Once you're logged in, go to the event you want to buy a ticket for and select the ticket you wish to purchase. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you'll need to add a debit or credit card if your gift card balance doesn't cover the total ticket price. The remaining balance will be charged to this payment method. After adding your payment method, scroll down and find the option labeled Add Credits, Promo Codes, Gift Cards. Keep in mind that promo codes can only be used for original ticket sales and not for resales. Click on the Add Credits option. Enter the 16-digit code from your gift card. If you have a physical gift card, scratch the back to reveal the code. After entering the code, click Apply. The gift card value will be deducted from the total amount. If there's any remaining balance, it will be charged to your debit or credit card. Finally, click Place Order to complete the transaction, and that's how you can redeem a Ticketmaster gift card.